Indian students, one wrong choice between MBA abroad or EMBA abroad could set you back 1 crore rupees and 2 years of your life. Most people think EMBA is just a senior MBA. Wrong. The truth is, they serve very different career goals. Let's break it down.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Round 1. Eligibility and career stage. MBA abroad is for those who are early to mid-career professionals with 2 to 5 years of work experience. Some top schools even accept freshers. EMBA abroad is strictly for the people who have 8 to 10 plus years of experience, usually in leadership or senior management. An MBA without work experience is risky, and EMBA too early will add very little value.
Round 2. Program format and lifestyle. MBA is full-time. For 1 to 2 years, it is immersive. You have to quit your job. Living abroad, there are internships and career fairs. MBA is part-time or modular. It is often spread over 15 to 24 months. You keep working, but it's intense. Job plus family plus study at once. Which one should you choose? An MBA is a reset. An EMBA is a fast-forward button. Which one fits your life today? Round 3. Peer group and learning environment. MBA cohorts are generally of the people with average ages from 27 to 30. Peers are consultants, engineers, analysts, people looking to switch industries. EMBA cohorts are generally of the people with average ages from 37 to 40. Classmates are VPs, entrepreneurs, and directors. Which one should you choose? Peer group defines your ROI. MBA gives you career switching buddies. EMBA gives you boardroom connections. Round 4. Career goals and ROI. MBA abroad is ideal if you want to switch industries, geographies, or functions. Consulting, finance, and tech are common outcomes. Salaries abroad range from $90,000 to $140,000 a year. EMBA abroad is ideal for you if you want to accelerate in the same company or industry, jump into senior leadership, C-suite, or scale your business. ROI often comes via promotions and influence, not immediate salary jumps. Which one should you choose? Ask, do I want to pivot or accelerate? Round 5. Visa and global mobility. MBA is eligible for post-study work visas like OPT in the US, 3 years for STEM MBA, PSW in UK, usually up to 2 years, PGWP in Canada, up to 3 years. EMBA usually does not have any post-study work visa because you stay employed. The value is the network plus degree brand and not relocation. If global mobility is your goal, full-time MBA is a clear winner. Round 6. Thinking about an MBA abroad? In the US, there are top names like Harvard, Wharton, MIT Sloan, and Stanford, which open doors in consulting, tech, and finance. In the UK, we have LBS, Oxford, Cambridge that offer 1-year MBAs with powerful alumni networks. Canada's Rotman, Ivy, Schulich provide affordable options plus strong visa and PR pathways. Across Europe, INSEAD, HEC Paris, and IE Spain deliver intense 1-year programs with highly diverse cohorts. Looking for an executive MBA? Global leaders like INSEAD, Wharton, Booth, Kellogg, and LBS top the list. In Asia, NUS in Singapore and HKUST in Hong Kong offer the perfect blend of regional expertise and global exposure. And which one should you choose? MBA choice depends on ROI and visas. EMBA choice depends on brand and network value. Round 7. Cost, ROI, and salaries. An MBA is a big investment. Tuition typically ranges from $70,000 to $120,000 plus the living cost. But the returns can be impressive. In the US, graduates earn between $120,000 and $150,000, with Harvard and Wharton alumni crossing over $175,000. In the UK, salaries average $85,000 to £110,000, with LBS, Cambridge, and Imperial around $95,000 mark. In Canada, expect $90,000 to $120,000 Canadian dollars, with standouts like Schulich and McGill hitting $150,000 to $178,000. Across Europe, Salaries average 100 to 120,000 euros. For an executive MBA, tuition runs between 100 and $200,000. It is often employer sponsored. Candidates are already earning $150 to $200,000, and many move into director, VP, or even C-suite roles after graduation. MBA ROI equals to salary jump and career switch. EMBA ROI, promotions, influence, boardroom access. So there is your decision map. Which column has more ticks for you? Don't gamble with your future. At Shiksha Study Abroad, we will help you pick MBA or EMBA, shortlist countries and universities, plan ROI, scholarships and visa strategies. Link in description and pinned comments. Book your free counseling today and make the right move. Link in description and pinned comments. Book your free counseling. Planning to study abroad but confused about SOPs, LORs, courses or visas? No worries. Shiksha's expert counselors offer free guidance for everything. Message us on WhatsApp now at 8130132440 and let's get you started.